How to set up two-step verification on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up two-step verification on Telegram to keep your chat extra secure. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your smartphone and make sure that you are logged in into your account. And once you are inside the Telegram app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top left corner of the screen and the menu will appear. Simply tap on settings from there. And once you are in the settings section, look for the privacy and security option, and once you have found it, simply tap on it. Now next, tap on two-step verification. Now, this is the feature that adds an extra layer of security by requiring a password every time you log into your Telegram account on a new device.